Did you hear? The fan noise is so loud. Okay, right now it's like not very far away, just like this far away. Just hear the fan noise. It's pretty loud. Just check the usage. This is a CPU usage, right? Roughly about like let's say like 40%. Like 40%. This is 100%, like half of them. And I can check the terminals. This is the terminals I can using. CPU is like 36%, as indicated right there. And the RAM is like, it's pretty low though. The RAM using is like very few. Let me check the RAM. Okay, whatever. It's not too much, I can say, because I only opened one project. The terminals and also the Chrome. That's it. So I don't know what happened to the fan. So annoying. And it's not very far away from computer. And just here. Keep running all the time.